Coach, maganda at maulang Sabado ng gabi sa inyo.
Salamat, Jerry.
Coach, mukhang gusto niyo na rin umuwi dahil first quarter pa lang talagang binuhos yun na agad no, against Macau.
No. So, we are so thankful dahil natapos itong game in spite of maraming interruption because of the rain and then we're glad natapos ito in a nice way for us and then one thing I discover again katulad ng last game, so yung balance scoring from the bench, actually mas malaking in-score ng bench namin kaysa starter namin. And that is what is we're projecting And at the same time, yan the players talaga naglaro na maayos according to our game plan kasi yun ang pinapractice namin dahil going to the playoffs, although the chances is still high for going to the playoffs, kailangan ma-develop yung execution namin because the other team and the other bracket is really a different team. And I'm so happy with them. Everybody's trying to do their best according to the system.
Coach, tsaka parang chance nyo na rin to yung parang inubos mo yung bench mo pinasok mo lahat ng players.
Especially yung bench namin si Jericho, he issued a lot of assists. I think assist namin dito napakataas and that's a good sign. Dahil 36 assists and the good thing is we only have 9 turnovers. Unlike before, lagi ko sinasabi, yung turnover points na binibigay namin mataas, pati pass break points. Tonight kami marami yung pass break and we just give up 12 pass break points. And then yung second chance points, 8 lang, and then second chance points 4, and that's something na we have to be happy But of course, this is just a game we have to be consistent next time dahil we still have 4 games left.
Okay.